Several of the secular healthcare trends that have prompted significant changes in the U.S. market are now taking root in other areas of the world, particularly Europe. We asked our senior European healthcare investment banker, Vincenzo di Nicola, to provide an overview of the European healthcare market, the key trends affecting change, and outlook for M&A.
The healthcare spend in Europe amounts to over 1.4 trillion euros, which makes the second largest market worldwide. It's still predominantly publicly funded, it's around 3/4 of the spend, but we are continually seeing more private spending. The total spend is obviously spread across the different countries that you can group in two main classes. The tax-funded systems, like the NHS in England and Italy, or the social security systems, like for example Germany. The main trends in healthcare in Europe are outsourcing, digitalization, and patient empowerment. In terms of outsourcing, in the care services, the main driver is the need of cost efficiency. If you start to look at products, so pharma, medtech, there are two main drivers. From one side you have the specialization, so companies are more and more focused on the key value-added functions. The second driver is again efficiency, because generics are becoming more important and there is need of producing more volume but at a cheaper cost. Digitalization. In the care services sector, digitalization means optimizing the care pathway. In the pharma services side, it is still predominantly paper-based. There is a clear shift towards digital, and the shift again is driven by compliance and regulation, because the complexity of trials is becoming higher, and therefore the quality of the data is becoming more and more important. The third trend is the patient empowerment. Patients have access to a tremendous amount of information, so they take more informed decisions, not only on the settings of care, but also on the type of medication. So M&A activity in the European healthcare market has been very strong over the last 2-3 years, mirroring what's happening in the US. Financial sponsors remain a very important investor class in the space. In terms of trade buyer activity, the lion's share so far has been from the US trade buyers, but we are increasingly seeing more interest from Asian buyers. We have a tremendous healthcare team in the US. The strong presence in the US helps us in understanding quicker the trends which are upcoming in Europe, because these are established trends in the US. Our global investment bank team operates on one P&L, fostering a teamwork culture to provide great, exceptional outcomes to our clients.
Get more insights on European healthcare M&A. Request a copy of Baird's recent report at bairdeurope.com/healthcare.